Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Fenty Beauty collection, and this is Beach Please. So if you guys like to see that, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this review. So first and foremost, I'm really excited to do this review because honestly, the colors are so pretty, and I saw a couple pictures on Fenty Beauty's Instagram page, and I was just like, dang, that's like the perfect thing for the summer, so I can't wait to be bomb. So the first thing is I already did my makeup, and obviously, you know, it's Fenty, so props for that. Right now, I have a Fenty face on. I got the entire collection. So I have the Sandcastle and Mint Mojito, the 7-Day Weekend and Poolside, and then I have Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset, and then I have the Lipstick Summer Nights Lip Luminizer Trio, and I have it in Summer Nights and Summer Days. So I'm really excited to test all of these formulas, which I'm gonna do that for you guys today. Ooh, pretty. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Something, something, something on my mind. So I have all the highlights here, and these colors are so pretty. This is gonna be my favorite because, you know, I don't know which one I want to do out of these ones. I don't know, whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and play with the colors. So to swatch these, this is 7-Day Weekend, this is Poolside, this is Mimosa Sunrise, this is Sangria Sunset, this is Sandcastle right here, this is Mint Mojito. I don't know which one I want to start with, but I'm really excited. So those were all the highlighters that you could also use for eyeshadows. This is the Island Bling, and this is the eyeshadow duo, and I'm gonna use this arm now. And this is Teeny Keeny, and that is really pretty. Look how pigmented that is, and that was just one swatch. That is so pretty. And then in the same set, Mamacita, dun 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 dun. Look how pretty that is. Like, these are so cute. For more of a new natural, you know, this is Summer Fling. Ooh, this is Summer Fling right here. And this is Rainbow. This is really pretty. Dang it, Rihanna. She always has to make all of them so pretty that you don't even know which one you want to try first. So first, let me go ahead and try the eyeshadows, and I think I'm gonna go for the duo of Rainbow and Summer Fling. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna try both of them. So I'm gonna go in with Summer Fling, and I'm gonna try and incorporate Teeny Keeny because I think these two would be really nice together. So on the outside of my eyes, I'm gonna put the Summer Fling. Like, this is so cute. Do you see how pretty that is? Way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the... I think this is liquid, but then it dries matte, and it's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and pat it around. I love this color. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is really pretty. This is like a summer collection. Like, if you're going on vacation or something and you're going to the beach but you don't want to bring a lot of makeup with you, this is like a great collection to take on vacation with you. You don't have to bring a lot, and then you could just do subtle, like, beautiful makeup looks without doing the most. Like, imagine how this would look like on an actual sunset. Photos for days. So I'm gonna go in with Teeny Keeny, and I'm gonna put that right here. Oh, bitch. Pigment! Lay by the ocean, feel the breeze. That's cool with me. My dreams have come true. This is so cute. I know I'm getting carried away, but I really like this. But time has brought my heart to you. I know you feel the same too. pigmented these are. And they're like beaming. And then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. Adorned by you. Adorned by you. See, I think about you all day. Okay, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I really like the formula. I really like the pigment on these shadows. They're so pretty, and I was always scared of using liquid shadows, but these are really, really nice. These are really, really nice. They're pigmented and they're not clumpy, so they look really, really nice and seamless. So you could create a lot of looks with this. Now, obviously, you don't have to go like in like I did. I just got really, really excited. So you could just use it for some nice shimmer. The next thing I'm gonna try are the highlighters. Now, I don't know which one. Obviously, I started with the blue and bronzy theme. So the best for me to try is gonna be this one, but I low-key really wanted to try this, the Sangria and Mimosa. I really wanted to try it. That's for another day. To go with this look, I'm gonna go with the Mint Mojito and the Sand Castle, and I'm gonna apply that on my cheeks using my fluffy brush that I usually use for highlight. I usually use them for my Trophy Wife and the Me Money Hustler Baby highlighters, but they got a new sister, so I gotta go with the sister. And I barely dipped into it, but there's a lot of pigment. I'm low-key seeing a little bit of purple, or maybe that's just me. No, do you see a little blue? I see a little blue in this. And now I'm gonna add the blue. I feel like they have like normal colors, and then they'll have like a really bold color to go with it. So for the blue, I'm just gonna dip into it like that and then try to put like top it off with that one. It's really giving me like alien galactic type of feeling. I'm gonna go to work and they're gonna be like, bitch, look at all these colors you have. But I don't care. I don't care. One thing I can say about these shadows is if you are going to put these type of shadows on your eyelid, do not prime your eyelid with like a primer or anything. Just let your lid be bare, because then on your skin itself, it's going to blend better and look seamless, as to where if you put powder on, it's going to look a little blotchy. So be careful about that. And that's not the product. That's just saying with any liquid shadows, you shouldn't put powder and then you put a liquid. If you have Fenty's highlighters, you already know that they're really, really great highlighters. Trophy Wife, everyone loved, but was like, it had a lot of pigment. So there's ways to work around it. You could use Trophy Wife as either a highlighter or you could use it as an eyeshadow. But as a highlighter, a lot of people were just like, I don't really know if that's gonna fit my skin tone. Honestly, it fits everyone's skin tone. You just had to work with it. So if you're gonna put the Trophy Wife on, you should put Mean Money or Hustler Baby on your cheeks as a base, and then just dab a little Trophy Wife on there for a nice like glowy natural look. It looks really pretty. So to try the lipsticks, these are the Sheer Iridescent Color Hyper Shade Shifting Finish, and this is Summer Days, and this is the trio. It has like this color right here, and this is like a teal. This is like an orange. This reminds me of the Mimosa Sunrise and then the Sangria Sunset, and that looks like these ones right here. And I think she went with the whole, like she had a specific color range that she wanted, because most of the highlighters and eyeshadows look like the colors are similar to the lipsticks or lip glosses. I will have a video swatching all of these beautiful lip glosses, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that. Did you say bless you? I'm allergic to people that don't subscribe. So if you're watching this, subscribe. But I'm gonna go ahead, and for this look, I'm gonna go with Snakeskin. That is honestly like the combination that I have on my lid. This lip gloss is a combination of Teeny Keeny and Summer Fling. Turn it up. Right there. So I definitely would use a liner for these, because these are lip glosses that you can wear alone. I think these are lip glosses to accent something or to make like a gloss change. So if you added like a nice lip gloss, let me line it up and actually show you what I'm talking about. Me closer, invite me. A sneak peek of what. So that looks a lot better. So this is a very, very bold look, but this does look a lot better than just putting it on, especially if you're dark skin. Actually, I think any skin tone should probably use a liner, because these aren't lip glosses that you just put on like a clear lip gloss. This basically is a lip gloss that's supposed to add more flavor. It's not to be by itself, but I look like, hold on, let me go surprise y'all with a whole nother look. You know, it says beach please, so I was figuring beach vibes, so I'm wearing this little shirt right here, you know. And then my hair is wet too, so it makes it look like, you know, like I'm really at the beach, feeling myself. I think I love the fact that Rihanna has fun with her makeup. Like, this is not something that I usually would go for, but it's daring, and now I would, because I want all eyes to be on me anyway. And I'll be looking like I'm out of this world. Literally. It's not light. It is like, it's not cheap feeling at all. It just feels like there's nothing on your lips. Like, it doesn't feel, it just looks like you put chapstick on. And it smells so good. Honestly, these are really nice summer vibes. Do you see that highlight? That is crazy, right? That is so cute. I'm on a whole nother level right now. Fenty, come through, Fenty. This is nice. But yeah, this is a really, really nice collection for the summer. I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like everyone is doing a really good job when it comes to their summer collections. But this is by far my favorite. If you'd like to see more spring reviews, I have my Patrick Star and ColourPop reviews, and I'll link that up here. So make sure you guys go check that out. All those collections are really, really nice for like the spring and the summer. And I did reviews on those. Those were amazing, especially girls, dark skin girls, if you want a good blush. Check that out. This looks so cute. Look at it. Do you see how I upgraded my life? Like, I used to look like crusty, but like now I'm moisturized. Now I have like, I'm really excited. Okay, well, subscribe so you guys can see more videos and more awesomeness of me. But yeah, until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye. My touch, my touch, my